Let's get started. Let's understand what is reporting. A mechanism to access and present any type of data to end users. A mechanism to access and present any type of data to end users. We are reporting. Power BI, a set of tools to perform end-to-end reporting operations, like when extract the data, model the data, and report it. Extract, model, and report. Modeling means to reshape or to format the data, like union, sort, join, group by, etc. So we are going to work with various Power BI tools. There are 1 to 6 design tools. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 6 design tools. And 2 hosting environments. Hosting means storage, report storage environments. We design the reports using non-database sources left and database sources right. Non-database and database sources, both. Then we need to learn. How to store the reports and get them accessible by end users. Let's start with first one, Power BI Desktop today, the first tool. Simple process. Let's observe carefully. Power BI Desktop tool. Purpose. This free tool is used to design and test interactive reports. The tool is used to design and test interactive reports. Let's understand how it is. Let's start with the first one. Later classes will do the remaining. So we need to have Windows 8 or higher operating system, 8 GB RAM. Download this software. I'll provide you these notes after the class today. Download. Here you click on this particular link. Click on download. You see 32-bit, 64-bit. 32-bit or 64-bit, two different items. Okay, here we go. Click on the 64-bit, you download. Download, then double click and start the installation. Okay, here it is. Make sure your Windows